Today we're going to talk about 7 best plugins for creating testimonials. Now in number 1 we have Elementor plugin itself. Elementor has a pretty good testimonial widgets where you can create a good testimonials. You can write the contents and change the profile picture. Also you can add title and the name of the client. In number 2 we have ElementsKit Lite. It is a Elementor plugin and you can create a testimonial slider. It has a many design and you can choose anything between them. It is completely free. Now you can change the code plugin. Also you can change everything here. You can change the background. In number 2 we have UI Addons. Now it is also a very good plugin for creating testimonials. You can see this is not a slider, but there is another one you can create slider with. It has all the plugin you see in previous plugin. You can change everything here. Also you can change the icons in both sides. In number 4 we have Elementor Addons. Like always you can change everything here. Also you can change the review, how many stars it would be. In number 5 we have Livemesh Elementor plugin. You can create a pretty good slider using it. It has all the system and all the settings for creating a pretty good testimonials. In number 6 we have Essentials add-ons for Elementor, and you can create also like the previous you've seen. This is not a slider, but you can create a pretty good testimonial using it. Now in number 7 we have premium add-ons for Elementor. It is another design and you can change the text, also the profile picture, and you can also change the background color. So that's the end. We have 7 best plugins for creating testimonials. Now I personally use ElementsKit Lite. It is very good plugin. I use this for my clients, and I use UI Addons sometimes. It is also very good. I hope you enjoy the video and we will see you next time.